In the early 20th century, a group of physicists were struggling to understand the behavior of subatomic particles. They discovered that, at the subatomic level, particles exist in a state of potential until they are observed. This discovery shook the foundations of classical physics and gave birth to the field of quantum mechanics. They observed that these particles seemed to behave differently when they were observed, leading to the development of the famous uncertainty principle. But this principle also opened up a whole new world of possibilities, where the observer had a direct impact on the observed. Fast forward to today, and we have a growing field of study that seeks to bridge the gap between science and spirituality, quantum spirituality. But what is quantum spirituality, and how does it relate to the world of science? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into this fascinating topic, exploring its promises and pitfalls, as well as its potential for transforming our lives. The problem with the traditional approach to spirituality is that it often lacks a scientific basis. Many people are turned off by the idea of blindly accepting dogma and superstition without any evidence to support it. On the other hand, the problem with traditional science is that it often lacks a spiritual component. It focuses solely on the physical world and ignores the deeper questions about the meaning and purpose of life. Quantum spirituality seeks to bridge this gap by using the principles of quantum mechanics to explain spiritual phenomena. At its core, quantum spirituality is based on the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected and that our thoughts and beliefs have a direct impact on our reality. As Albert Einstein famously said, "Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind." By bringing these two seemingly disparate fields together, we can gain a deeper understanding of the nature of reality and our place in the universe. At its core, quantum spirituality is based on the idea that consciousness has a direct impact on the physical world. This is based on the findings of quantum physics, which suggest that subatomic particles exist in a state of potential until they are observed. This means that the act of observation itself has an impact on the physical world. In quantum spirituality, this idea is taken a step further, suggesting that our thoughts and beliefs have a direct impact on our reality. By focusing our consciousness on positive outcomes, we can actually shape the world around us in positive ways. One example of the power of quantum spirituality is the experiment of Dr. Masaru Emoto. In his book, The Hidden Messages in Water, Dr. Emoto shares his research on the effects of consciousness on water crystals. He found that when water was exposed to positive words and thoughts, the resulting crystals formed in the frozen water were beautiful and symmetrical. But when water was exposed to negative words and thoughts, the resulting crystals were distorted and chaotic. This research provides a powerful example of the potential of quantum spirituality to transform our lives and the world around us. By focusing our consciousness on positive outcomes, we can actually create a more beautiful, harmonious world. So, how can we put the principles of quantum spirituality into practice in our daily lives? One way is through meditation and visualization. Meditation is a powerful tool for quieting the mind and focusing our consciousness on positive outcomes. Visualization is another powerful tool for harnessing the power of consciousness to shape our reality. By visualizing positive outcomes and focusing our consciousness on the things we want to manifest in our lives, we can actually create a more positive and fulfilling future for ourselves. One example of this concept in action is the placebo effect. The placebo effect is a phenomenon where a patient's belief in a treatment can actually improve their symptoms, even if the treatment itself is inert. This provides compelling evidence for the power of consciousness to impact our health and well-being. As Albert Einstein said, "The world we have created is a product of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking." In many ways, this quote sums up the essence of quantum spirituality. By changing our thinking, we can actually change the world around us. It's a powerful reminder that the power to create positive change is within us all. So, if you're someone who has ever felt torn between your spiritual beliefs and your love of science, take heart. Quantum spirituality offers a promising path forward, one that can help us better understand our place in the universe and our relationship to the world around us. In closing, I invite you to share your thoughts on this topic with others. Have you ever struggled to reconcile your spiritual beliefs with the world of science? What do you think about the concept of quantum spirituality? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.